Hi everyone. Good morning. This is a small concept that I want to explain for today. So, there may be a requirement that, I want to generate some number, or a dynamic number that I can use it as a string in my program. How can I do that? So, consider that you are writing down a program that will be creating a user in your application. Every time your user name should be of dynamic in nature, so rather than feeding that thing manually, so how can I generate a dynamic number using a program? If that's our requirement, let us see how exactly we can deal with it. Function test dynamic number. Okay, function test a dynamic number. So I'm not using anything new here. Basically, whatever the Swift language is offering, I was just using the same thing itself. So which is uint 32 is the outcome from this. Uint 32 is the outcome from this, which is arc4random is the method. Okay, arc4random is the method which will generate a random number from which I wanna convert it into a number which is of a string. So that's the reason string describing. Okay, I want to describe that particular random. So what it's going to happen right now, this is going to generate an integer of a random number, and this line is a converting that particular number into a string. In further or moving further, wherever you want to enter something, using a type text, definitely the input for that one is a string. So maybe Surendra plus this string, I want to use it. For suppose I can consider that print, okay, print Surendra plus random number. Okay, print Surendra plus random number. When I run this particular program right now, it should print the random number. See here, Surendra, this random number. For suppose if I am not converting it into a string, and if at all directly I am using a random here, and let me try to see this. So here it will not support this particular operation. The reason is Surendra is a string and this is a number. Basically, it will not support this particular chunk. So that's the reason we need to convert that particular random number into a string so that whenever you are working on it, you can directly use that particular string operations. Okay, whenever you are using it, you can directly use that particular string operation. So this is the thing. So when I run it, so earlier it was something like around a 794 something, and this is the random number again 171. So depending on your project needs, you can use this random number. We can convert it as a string and we can use it in our programs, guys. Okay, so these are the examples that I'm the situations that I'm facing in my real world. I'm just converting it in as a scenarios and I'm sharing with you. I hope this will add some value for you whenever you are working on your projects. Cool, thank you, bye bye.